Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are going in to do our Walgreens haul for the week of 2/21 to 2/27. Now, I have a $11 budget, $16 in register reward and coupons. So let's go in here and let's make some things happen. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to grab is the Arm& and Hammer. Now, it was buy one get two free, but I see they have it 3 for $6. So I'm going to grab 3 of these. And I want one of these. Okay, I did bring 3 coupons with me, so let's see if it works. Okay, next we're going to grab 2 of these Revlon Kiss Bombs at $4.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. Plus we have a $3 coupon. And look at this new by CoverGirl. Look at that. Clean and vegan. Oh, it's vegan volume. Okay. They need to give us some good coupons for these. Well, that one's $7.99, get 50% off, plus we got a $2 coupon, so that might be okay. Okay, so now we're going to grab 2 Axe at $4.99. And I want to get the clean and fresh because the boys seem to like that. And they actually like this one that says clean and ready. So these are 2 for $8. I'm going to grab 2 of these. But I'm also going to do what I called a double dip. If you look at my Walgreens Deals of the Week video that came out on yesterday for the week of 22/21, you will see why I'm calling this a double dip. But I'm going to grab 2 Axe sprays at $5.99 each. And my guys, the little ones, they love this red smell right here, Essence. So I'm going to grab those. And we're going to use 2 of the buy one, get one free body sprays with it, okay? Okay, these are the same orange tags. They haven't lowered them yet. I'm surprised. They usually do. But they haven't went down as of yet again. So that's buy one at $2.99, get one 50% off. So that's even better than the regular deal it was. Okay, so I did the Tresemme right here is 2 for $8. That $5 coupon is still some good, guys. If you need that, go ahead and grab it. I'm not gonna grab it because I want to try and see my Tresemme coupons at Walmart. So be looking out for that video. Hey guys, and don't forget to look at my coupon and cash envelope stuffing video this morning, and you will see why my prices vary for my hauls. Okay. Oh, look, guys, Honest. Okay, so the Honest thing came down to $2.79 from, look, $5.49. So some of the stuff they are starting to mark. What's this, 89 cents for the Honest wipes? I'm going to grab these, and they're going to come out of my stockpile budget. So I'm going to grab all of them. Okay. So, and here's some more back here. All right. Oh, my God, guys, you got to excuse me. And then I want some of the sprays. Now I want some of the Honest face and body lotion. I'm going to grab some of these also. And the Honest body wash. So this is the meaning why you build a stockpile for these moments. So I grabbed these. They were $2.79 a piece. And then I grabbed these for 89 cents. Then here's some more Honest. That one was $5.49. The diaper rash cream is $2.79. My cousin is having a baby, so I'm going to grab her just 2 of these. She is also a vegan, so I figured this would be good for her too. And all of that will be coming out of my stockpile. Okay, so see, I was going to grab these, but I think Target will be better. Okay, so just in case they made a mistake and left that up, see that? It's $5.29, but I don't know if this is going to account for the buy one, get 2 free. And then it's a 75% off coupon, so who knows? The boots are 50% off, making them $7.50. Oh, those are cute, the little booties. Okay, guys, so I'm grabbing a pair of these right here. And these are the medium, 7 to 8. Look at that. They're so cute. And plus, I need them after this. Got a new pair of boots, but I'm still kind of missing these that I got on. What's this for 69 cents? Sun. What's that? Is that it? Ugh. Yuck. Oh, it light up. Look at that. Okay, here is Axe. They got a $1 off coupon for that one. Plus, if you use another $1 coupon, that's called stacking. That is $2.79 for that Axe. African original tablets went down to 35 cents. They gone. Okay, something right here was 55 cents. Gum dental floss was 55 cents. Besides, yep, $2.19 before. Okay, guys, so see this crest right here that says $3.79? This is the crest advance, okay, right here. Now, when I scan it, this will show up. It's marked down to $2.99 already, okay? It's supposedly, but I don't know because it says $2.79 minus that, but I got a dollar coupon, so I'm taking it. It's that dollar coupon that's coming off. My $3 coupon is not popping up. If it don't come up, I will probably use a different card. Okay, guys, so see the Oral B right here? It is $4.99 on here. When I scan, and I pick this one up. When I scan, here it is $3.99, and then it gives me a dollar coupon. So I don't think I have that $3 coupon on here. I think I used the last week, but you know, I still want to get. I actually want 2 toothbrushes, but I only have one coupon for it, and I need at least 2. So that makes me go up $1 in what I need and what I'm gonna pay out of pocket. Okay, what was this chapstick? Lip Moisture was 40 cents, guys. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my mother one Scott at $5. I have a dollar coupon off and a $1.25 coupon off because I did not use the one for my mother, so I'm gonna use that. These tissues are three. I'm waiting for these to drop. $3.79. People, it's still a lot here, so hopefully they'll drop. Okay, so let's go over all the coupons we'll be using. We're going to use this dollar off of Scott. It ends on the 27th, so we're going to use that. Then I'm going to go in my binder. I'm going to try to use 3 of these, but I saw on the other one it did not have that. So I might only get to use 1. If we get to use all 3, that's even better. We're going to use 2 of the Axe to get the spray for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, $16 in register reward. And then I'm going to use this booster that I got spend $30 and get a $7 register reward, registered cash back. $7 Walgreens cash reward. There you go. And plus I have $11 in money that I'm using. Okay, for the toothpaste, I have a dollar coupon, and then I have a dollar coupon for the toothbrush. That just an extra coupon. Those Revlons, I have a $3 off Revlon coupon. It's buy one get one 50% off. Then of course, you know, I have an extra dollar on my app also for this. Okay, all of this right here, that will come out of this right here. It'll come out of my stockpile. That's where that'll come from, okay? And these will come out of my pocket, my own personal money. So for now, this is how your house should look. You should have a Scott in here, and I'm only talking about the coupon and stuff. You should have 2 Axe, a Crest toothpaste, and a Crest toothbrush. But if you got the 3 off 2, grab 2 of the Crest toothpastes because they are cheaper than the toothbrushes. Then with this, we're going to grab 2 Axe sprays, 3 Arm & Hammer, buy one get 2 free, supposedly. And then these, buy one get one 50% off, and I have a $3 coupon. Okay, and that's all of my stockpile. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 honest. We got tons of body lotion and body wash, and I put back the diaper rash. I just want to make sure. I'd rather have lotion and body wash. Okay, yeah, I was trying to see if any of the diapers had went down, but no. One place the diapers went down to $2.50, and it was a box, but I don't see it here. That's why I came back to this aisle. I know sometimes I get to talking and that'll be it, but let's go. Okay guys, so let's get through this really quickly. I don't want this video to get too long. So you see the entire haul. This is what screwed up. It did not give me the $2.50 back, so they had to add it on as points, which is fine as long as I get it. But sometimes I do like my register rewards better than I do the Walgreens cash. Okay, now listen up. With this right here, the 2 for $8, that worked fine, but only it wouldn't take my second coupon. So what did I do? You only see one. I told her to remove it, and that's fine because this gave me $2 back. Unilever did right here. $2 back. So that made these $3 a piece, which I never find X for $3 a piece. And then I got this one for free. Of course, these were $4.99, buy one get one 50%. This was $1 off, $1.25 off, so it ended up being $3.75. These each one were $1. Correction, guys, it is not buy one get two free. They have them at my Walgreens, 3 for $6. I used a dollar coupon for each one, which all of them came off perfect. So this was my coupon and haul. I made $7 back in registered rewards, and in Walgreens cash, I got $12.40 back because they added on the $2 from there. I had a $7 booster after spending $30, and I also had a $3 booster after spending $35 that was already attached. As you can see, every single coupon came off. And guess what, guys? I went over about $2.20. That is fine. I will deduct that out of my haul for next week. You will see that video. And here is all of the honest supplies that I bought. And I got all of this out of my stockpile, which added up to $28. Guys, fantastic deal. Go do this haul so you can stack up this whole bundle. If my cousin don't get it, then I probably will sell this and then stack up again for her. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel. And I made a $12 I made a $7 money maker, guys. $7. Okay. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.